Hello, I'm here today at the Knitting Factory. My name is Rachel and I run short courses all to do with machine knitting. I want to show you today how to set up your brand new silver reed and get you going with a few basic techniques that you can learn. So first of all, what you'll find once you've got your machine out of the box is you have a little metal piece at the side of your carriage. So what you need to do is unscrew this, and all this is, it's just there so that you, when it's shipped, it's held in place. So take that piece off. And then what you need to do next, you'll find that you've got these two clamps, metal clamps in the box also. So you need to unscrew them slightly, and then you're going to put them in to the little holder. You've got two of these, one on each side, and what these are used for is just to keep it secure on your table. And just tighten them up so you know it's all secure there and it's not going to fall off. So the next thing we need to do is attach the sinker plate. So this goes on to the two white screws at the front of the carriage. Just screw them on and make sure it's attached properly. And then just move it along the rails and make sure it's not getting stuck anywhere. So the next thing we need to do is attach the tension mast, and this is in your little carry case. You have a silver mast like this. That needs to go in first of all. And then you can pop on the top part of the mast. And just make sure it's sitting on there securely. And then finally, we have your row counter, which is really important. So you want to put that on. You can either use it on this side of the machine, or we've got two little screws on this side that you can use it on. I'm just going to attach it onto this side. So just slot it in and make sure that's secure. And then as your machine goes past, you've got this, you might find it's in that position, you need it to come out so that it passes your row counter each time you knit a row. And that's your basic setup.